Good afternoon to one and all. My topic is flying classification. Flying classification normally categorized in four categories: SISD, SIMD, MISD, and MIMD. SISD is single instruction, single data. SIMD is single instruction, multiple data. MISD is multiple instruction single data, and MIMD is multiple instruction multiple data. So according to flying, parallel processing can be done in these four categories. Now flying's taxonomy. It generally uses two basic concepts: parallelism in instruction stream, parallelism in data stream. A CPU has a program counter, so there are n instruction streams. A data stream can be used as sequence of data. It has four possible combinations. So we can say in flying's classification, parallelism is done and parallelism of data of instruction is taken place. So first type is single instruction, single data stream. Its features are one job at one time. SISD corresponds to traditional monoprocessors. Single data stream handled by single instruction. A uniprocessor system which generates single stream of instruction from program. In single instruction, single data stream, it is sequential execution of data. That means there is only one data type and on which there is only one command to be executed. So it will run in a sequential manner. Here we can see the picture of it. Here is one control unit, one processor unit, and one memory module. So a control unit will generate one instruction, and here is one processor. It will work on the data items which is in memory. So one processor unit will work on one type of data item and will generate one output. Next is single instruction multiple data stream. So its features are single control unit, multiple processing unit. All processing units are synchronized. Instructions on different sets on data. Control unit fetches instruction from memory and distributes into multiple processing units. In single instruction multiple data stream, there is only one command for different type of data stream. The data stream could be integer type, float type, character type, but the instruction will be only of one type. Here is the picture of SIMD representation, in which we can see that since single instruction is there, so there is only one control unit, but there are different processor unit, and to accommodate the memory, different process units are there. Number of memory units are there. These are also called as their local memories, and data from local memory is taken to execute in the processor unit. So command will be the only one, and data may be in different form. It may be in integer, it may be in float, it may be in character. Next type is multiple instruction single data stream. So its features are many functions are executing on same data, can be manufactured but not commercially released, used by systolic arrays. Since multiple instructions are generating and commanding on single data stream, so this type of parallel processing was not possible. It was not implemented actually. It was just a theoretical concept. Here picture of MISD representation in which we can see the number of control units are there and number of processor units are also there. Number of control unit will generate different commands, and all these commands at one time, it is not possible to run on one type of data. So MISD is not practically possible. Next one is multiple instruction, multiple data stream. Its features are, it is true multiprocessor. In contrast to SIMD, MIMD is general purpose machine. When all cores, processors run one program, it's called SPMD, single program multiple data. Usually every processor has own data to execute. Multiple instruction, multiple data stream concept is multiple command can be generated and multiple data units should be there. On multiple data units, multiple command can be executed at one time. So it is executing the parallel processing concept. Here we can see from the picture of MIMD, number of control units are there, number of processor units are there, and similarly number of memory units are there to provide the different types of data. Different control units are there to provide the different types of commands. So MIMD is practically possible. Thank you.